Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina, in case you don't know me yet. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel because I upload a new video every single week. Today I'm going to show you how to do the perfect ponytail, and this time it's not going to be the very high slick ponytail. No, it's going to be more relaxed, messy, everyday kind of ponytail, but with all of my secrets so you can have a full ponytail. If you want to know how to do the perfect ponytail, then keep on watching. The first thing you want to do is to decide where you want to put your ponytail. Remember that the place where you put your ponytail is going to accentuate something different in your face. You definitely don't have to think that much, but if you want to have the perfect ponytail, then keep in mind your facial structure to position your ponytail. Now that you decided where you want to put your ponytail, you need to divide your hair in the middle. I would say the temples are a good place to start. And we're going to pin the top part away just to take it out of the way. Brush especially underneath the ponytail. This is the only part of the ponytail that you do want to brush, so make sure this one is tight and kind of slick in a way. I love this step because this is going to make sure that we don't have that saggy bag here underneath our ponytail. Now we can let this part go, and we're going to create a ponytail on top of that ponytail that we already did. But here are some tips. If you have very thin hair, not volume at all, you want to maybe tease a little bit, especially here in the crown, because you want to make sure that when you have your ponytail, it has a little bit of volume everywhere. And I like to pull these sides a little bit, that way they cover that line and it looks like a full hairstyle instead of two ponytails, if that makes sense. So if you're like me and you have a lot of hair, you don't really need to tease anything because you can just put your hands in the ponytail and just pull a little bit, and that's going to give you enough volume. You want to make sure you use one of these bungees. These are going to ensure that you have the perfect ponytail. You only need to pin one side of the tie, wrap it around the ponytail, and then just pin the other side. It's that simple. That's going to make your ponytail to be very tight, secure, and it's not going to mess with the shape that you already did. You can easily buy them. I can leave a link down in the description for you, but to be honest, they are very easy to make with just one hair elastic and some bobby pins. When everything is secure, you want to pull out your hair a little bit to give it some texture and a little bit more volume. And even though this is fantastic and a big improvement, how do we take it from here to amazing? Well, this is the hack. The only thing you need is one of these little clips. I don't know where they come from, but we all have one. You just want to split the top layer, put the clip in the base of the ponytail, and let go. Just make sure that it's not showing, and you're going to have instant volume without teasing or anything, just in seconds. And this is going to give you just a great ponytail with full hair, even if you have very, very fine hair. The only thing left to do is to take a little bit of the hair from underneath the ponytail, wrap it around just to hide the elastic. I think this is kind of like a step-up ponytail hack, and that is it. I hope this really works for you. Let me know in the comments if you try it. Send me a picture. Did you know about this hack? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!